In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage Perplexity AI to create organized plans and checklists that you can easily move into your to-do app. I'll start by clicking on the search bar to draft a prompt for a complex project. I'm asking Perplexity to generate a comprehensive 10-step checklist for a 5-day mountain hiking trip, specifically requesting subtasks for gear, permits, and food preparation. I make sure to ask for a clear list format so it's ready to be copied into my task manager. Once I hit enter, the AI begins gathering information and structuring the itinerary. The results provide a deep dive into trip planning, covering everything from route selection and permit confirmations to gear checks and water strategies. It even generates a convenient copy-paste version at the bottom, which is perfect for quickly populating a to-do list without any extra formatting. Now let's look at how to use the AI for task prioritization. I'm heading to the follow-up box to input a list of common small business tasks, such as paying invoices and updating a website bio. I'm asking Perplexity to categorize these into urgent, important, and maintenance buckets to help me focus my day. The AI quickly organizes the chaos into a structured priority matrix. It identifies time-sensitive tasks like invoices and client emails as urgent while moving long-term growth projects like research into the important category. This clear breakdown helps me see exactly where my energy should go first, making it a powerful companion for any planning app. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.